Welcome students. This video brings to you some words and their meanings from chapter number 8 of your course book Saving the Tiger. Along with meanings, you will be coming to know the synonyms and antonyms of the words and how to use them in sentences. The first word I'm taking today is thrilling, which is an adjective. It means exciting and enjoyable. This word comes in the line in your story as, "It was every bit as thrilling as I had imagined." You can replace the word thrilling by the synonyms pleasing, stimulating, moving, stirring, gripping, riveting, breathtaking. And the opposites, the antonyms for this word are boring, usual, depressing, discouraging, upsetting, dreary, dull, and monotonous. The word comes from the root word thrill. The past tense of this verb is thrilled. You can use this word in the sentences as, "The journey to the mountain was very thrilling." Ria's parents took her to an adventurous trip to the theme park, which was really thrilling. The second word for today is amidst, which means in the middle of or surrounded by. This word occurs in the line, "The elephant struggled up a steep slope amidst thick bamboo." And the word can be replaced by its synonyms as encompassed by, among, inserted, intervening, or between. And the antonyms can be taken as beyond, outside, afar, away from, without, and separate. You can use the word in the sentence as, "He was seated amidst the participants." The visit took place amidst tight security. I saw my birthday cake kept amidst the gifts. The third word for today is mutual, and it occurs in the story as, "For a heart-stopping surprise, our eyes met in a mutual surprise." Here, the author saw the tiger, and the tiger also saw the author. So, for a heart-stopping surprise, both were surprised at each other by looking at each other. The meaning is share in common, for each other, or joint as an advantage. Synonyms for this word are collaborative, collective, common, combined, conjoint, cooperative, shared. Antonyms can be taken as exclusive, individual, sole, solitary, unilateral, one way, or one-sided. It can also be taken as lopsided. One-sided has a separate word, lopsided. The three friends had mutual problems. That means towards each other, they had problems. By mutual agreement, they decided to visit this construction site first. A deep mutual respect and understanding developed between the leaders of the two groups. These are the three words for today. Revise well. Thank you.